Today's featured car of the day is a beauty, a 1965 Chevrolet Impala Supersport, upgraded with a 427 cubic inch small block V8 engine. And inside, interior wise, it's got the turquoise interior, which is in great shape. It's also been upgraded with four-wheel disc brakes and bigger wheels and tires, and was the last year for the three round taillights on each side for the Impala. Next year, 66, they went to the three square taillights in one-piece format. But this one, like I said, the interior was beautiful, with stock, nice with the brocade inserts in the seats, the vinyl interior. The turquoise contrasts the white very nicely. And being a super sport, it's got the 427 badge stuck on there. You couldn't get the 427 actually in a Impala until 1966. In 1965, you could get two different 396 engines, and one rated at 325 horse, and then the L78 was rated at 425 horsepower. And the Impala for 1965, that was the fourth generation for the Impala, which went from 1965 through 1970. Now, sales-wise for 1965, they ended up making 1,046,500 Impalas. And out of that, the Impala Supersport, they made 243,114. So if you see the 65 Impala Supersports around, they made quite a few of them. So a lot of people think it's one of the best looking cars that Chevy made, and one of the best looking cars of the 60s period. And I tend to agree with them. It was a great looking car, especially for a full size car. This one being a Restomod, they put a 427 cubic inch small block Chevy V8 engine in it. And I'm sure it upgraded it quite a bit as far as performance wise, especially if it was a 396 or a 327 that were available in 1965. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1965 Impala Supersport Restomod, upgraded with a 427 cubic inch small block V8 engine and four-wheel disc brakes. And I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. But if you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel Car Finder with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. In the meantime, enjoy the rest of the video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share the video with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one. And consider subscribing if you aren't subscribed, and leave a comment or suggestion. And thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.